Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Power Apps and their types. So, in simple term, I will say Power Apps is a platform where we can do the rapid development for our business custom application as per the requirement. Not only that, it can help us to transform and remodel any manual business process into a digital process or automation. Suppose if you even if you are not a developer, you will be able to create the Power Apps application with minimal effect. That means Power Apps have some predefined templates available, or I can say they have an option to create an application using an Excel directly as a data source. So we will see how those things is going to develop without doing anything, how Power Apps itself is creating it. Another great thing in PowerApps is the responsive feature. It can be used in desktop, mobile, as well as tablet. That means you don't need to worry about this responsive CSS and this kind of things. You don't need to worry about. It will adjust the things accordingly. Now, coming to the types of PowerApps, there are three types. One is Canvas app, second one is modern driven, and third one is portal. Each application has its own features. Okay, and each one of these apps it's has its own environment. For example, Canvas app is having Power Apps Studio, Model Driven app have App Designer, Portal have Power Apps Portal Studio. This is the landing screen of the Power Apps. Whenever you will log into make.powerapps.com, you will see these screens by default. Okay, there is something called environment. By default, there will be one environment, which is mostly for development purpose. So suppose if you are developing any application, then obviously that needs to go in SIT, UAT, and production. Then we can create multiple environments here, and we can assign is this environment okay. I'm using this environment for development. I'm using this environment for UAT. I'm using this environment for production. Okay. Now, if you will see here, if I go to create, then I will see by default I'm getting some options like blank app. This is what I was talking about, we will be covering in the topic 4. That means when we will be not selecting any data source, we will go step by step here. Means we will design our own form screens, and we will then select data source. We will do business customization there, most of the business customization there. If you use this Excel, then in that case what is going to happen, it will ask okay which Excel you want to select. You will select that Excel. Once you will select, it will automatically create an application for you, which will consist of three screens: new screen, browsing screen, and display screen. Okay, like that way it will happen with these two also. You no need to select, no need to do anything. You will just select the data source, and automatically it is going to create the application for you. We will see step by step. Okay, now if I click to apps, and when I will click on new app, here you will see all those three types. One is Canvas, second model driven, third is portal. So if I will talk about Canvas app, here we can create the form, we can customize the form, and we can do the business, we can just implement the business logic. When it is coming to model driven, it works on the top of the data. Means you will have data, and you will be having the tables and all everything, and you can arrange those things in one screen. We'll talk about this in deeply later on, so I'm just giving some overview on that. Then portal means, see, this Canvas and model driven, it can be only accessed by the internal users. Okay, when we want to design a website kind of thing which is accessible to both internal and external users. In that case, we will be creating it using Portal. Okay, so in this course, we will be mostly talking about the Canvas app. I will see you in the next video.